Welcome back to another video, guys. Today you guys are not gonna want to miss this video. As you guys can see right here, what I got, this badass, well, my baby right here, finally officially bagged, you know what I'm saying? So thank you guys for coming through. I'll show you guys in a little bit of the whole process that I've done to this car within 2 days of me installing these bags. This is a big secret. None of my friends know that I actually bagged my car. You know, they'd be expecting me to be bagging it pretty soon with their help, you know, but since we already have like 3 videos of bagging our car in this channel, I'm gonna do this one secretly, so we're gonna surprise him. Probably next week, I'm gonna drop that video, so you don't wanna miss it. Subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification button, so you won't miss this freaking video. It's gonna be hilarious. Might have another surprise for it, so for the bag reveal, air out video in front of my friends. So it might be a big transformation, and let's enjoy this video, and I'll get back with you once it's done. Get it.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Guys, finally, we're freaking done with this car. We could finally turn it on and air out pretty soon. But dude, I'm freaking excited for this day. It's been 5 years since I've been dreaming about bags, you know. Bagging my car was always a big goal for me. Ever since my brother did it, like 4 years ago, you know. So it's gonna be pretty cool. I finally got it. Take a look at it. You guys can see it. It's on stands, but guys, this is huge for me, you know. Big shout out to all the subscribers that keep coming back, the ones who always watch my videos, show that love, supporting, love it. Alright guys, we're gonna get this car running so then we can start airing out, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, we got Flaco in the building. Sure. Alright boys, the final piece to finish the masterpiece here. Damn, let's get it. Save this thing for last. Alright, there you guys have it. Damn, boy. Yeah. I think I'm putting it right here. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. But damn. Alright, let's connect this shit. Alright guys. Connected. Now let's turn this car on. Alright boys. Is it only using one compressor right now? Sound good? Woo! Nervous. Damn. Lower it for it. Damn. We're about to lower this shit. Flaco the technician is gonna calibrate this thing. Let's get it. Look at that, boys. I'm excited for this. Excited. Should I record my face expression or the car? Car? Right. Do it for y'all. So it's calibrating, guys. God damn! Shit sounds so sexy, bro. Wow. Ooh. Can you see Flaco? Ciao, ciao. By itself.
Really?
Where's Sophia? You with Davies?
Damn. Huh? Yeah. That's it? Damn, I don't know what's going on, boys. Raise it all up. What do you guys think about that, huh? Officially back in the building. It's good? Go. Damn, boy. Huh? Ciao, baby.
I have to take that off.
What is that? Having some technical difficulties here. We'll get back at you guys when we figure it out. But dude, this is freaking hot shit right here, boys. Yeah. All right, boys. This is the air out right here. Let's get it. Damn, boy. You. God damn, boy. That was badass, bro. You guys can see. Minty SRT is finally back in the building with the back Flaco. Finally, officially 4 cars that are bagged in our team. Pretty much the back squad, so that's a big goal. I think 2021's been a big year for us. This is how we do it for all you guys. Everybody's supporting our channel. Keep on building our whip. But you guys, I'm super stoked right now. Super excited. What do you think, Flaco?
Like it?
Damn. Damn, she looks sick. Damn. There you guys have it. Car is officially bagged. Remember to keep staying with this channel, subscribe, come back, because the next week I'm dropping the air out reveal to my boys that don't have no idea that we just bagged my car. It's secretly a sleeper right now. You know, so yeah guys. See you guys next week. You guys don't want to miss that video. And I might have a little goodie on that extra edition for that video too. So it's time to shock the people. Let's get it. Stay safe, stay positive, and like that, guys, we're out. Peace.